Get motivation through gamification. Alex is a student who loves playing video games and doesn't have any motivation to do sports. He's introverted and spends most of his time alone in virtual realities. However, his behavior isn't that special and represents a growing group of children, teenagers and young adults. It's possible to motivate people like Alex by adding game-like elements to disliked activities. This is the concept of gamification. Alex's school class is one of the first who can try an app which tracks running activities and is specifically available for school students. In the app, each student can create an individual avatar. By achieving certain goals individually as well as in groups, the user can randomly unlock different customization options, like shirts, shoes, caps. In the social hub, Alex can compare his achievements with friends, check their profiles with stats, characters and their inventory, and trade items. These features he knows from his favorite video games catch his interest in going running and interacting with his friends and challenging them on a friendly basis. Keeping Alex's success in mind, the risks of gamified running should be considered too. Especially less athletic students could get frustrated when they see that their progress isn't as fast as their friends. In addition, users could get addicted to the steady progress and competition. In conclusion, the risks are important too, but the benefits outweigh any dangers. For Alex, the outcome is very positive. His fitness level increased, he made new friends, and lives a healthier life.